Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi CA125 CLIA reagent kit. Yeah, you can see the CA125 is a cancer marker reagent and CLIA is a chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent. Yeah, we can find this. These are the content present in this kit. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 10.5 ml of buffer, 7.5 ml of ABA label, 1 ml of control 1 and 1 ml of control 2. Yeah, these are the content present inside. And the reference number of the kit is 13020103 Yeah, this is the reference number of the kit, and you can see the pictorial representation over here. Yeah, this is for instruction manual. This kit comes up with an instruction manual, and over here you can see this product should be keep away from direct light, and this is for temperature control. The product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. And over here you can see the marking of 100 because this is for 100 testers, and this is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. And at the bottom you can see the manufacturing details of this kit. Yeah, now we can see the other view, other side views. Yeah, this is the top view and this is the front view, and this is the other side of this kit. Yeah, you can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and here also you can find the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. And over here you can find the product name CA125. This is a cancer marker, and the reference number 13020103 This is the reference number. Yeah, I'm just going to unpack this for your reference. We can see this. Yeah, you can see this is the instruction manual. Yeah, you can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and reference number 13020103 This is for 100 test kits. This is the reference number of this product, and product name CA125. This is the cancer marker. Yeah, in this instruction manual you can find the summary, test principle, reagent, and warning and precautions. And over here you can see the specimen handling and preparation for analysis and storage details, and other extra details are present in this instruction manual. I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having a quality assurance certificate which was been given by Snibe Diagnostics for this product. And this is the reagent seal. Yeah, you can see this Maglumi reagent seal for CA125 reagent kit. This is of 3 number. Yeah, after that this is ABA label. Yeah, you can see this CA125 control 2 and CA125 control 1, each 4 number, totally 8 label will be there. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you will be seeing control 1 and control 2, each 1 ml. Yeah, I'm just going to take this out. Yeah, you can see these are the controls, CA125 control 1 and control 2. Yeah, each 1 ml. Yeah, you can see the volume. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. After that you will be having the reagent kit. Yeah, this is the reagent kit from Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi CA125 CLIA reagent. Yeah, you can find what are the reagent present in it. It comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 10.5 ml of buffer, 7.5 ml of ABA label. And under this you can find the pictorial representation that this reagent should be always in upward direction, and this reagent should be keep away from direct light, and this reagent should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this reagent is for 100 testers. Yeah, these are the information present in it, and this is a C certified IVD product. Yeah, this is the front view, and this is the top view of the reagent. Yeah, this is the back view. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi CA125 CLIA reagent kit consists of 1 instruction manual, 1 quality assurance certificate, 1 ml of CA125 CLIA control 1 and CA125 CLIA control 2, ABA label, CA 125 control 1 and control 2, each 4 totally 8 labels, and Maglumi reagent seal of 3 number, and the reagent kit which consists of 2.5 ml of microbits and 1 ml of calibrator low, 1 ml of calibrator high, 10.5 ml of buffer, 7.5 ml of ABA label. Yeah, these are the reagent present in it. Thank you.